In this video from Device Doctor, I will fix the paper jammed error on Canon i-SENSYS MF421dw. The printer shows the message, paper jammed. Press Next to display the next step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The paper jammed error usually appears when the printer detects a problem in the paper path. This can happen because of stuck paper, dust, dirty pickup rollers, or a problem with the paper sensor. To fix this issue, we need to check the paper path, clean the rollers, and make sure the sensors are working properly. Now let's fix the problem. First, remove the printer tray and carefully check the paper path. Then clean the printer rollers one by one. Pay close attention to the cleaning method and make sure all roller surfaces are cleaned properly, because dirty rollers can cause paper feeding problems and paper jam errors. Now remove the rollers from the printer and clean them carefully. Use a clean cotton cloth slightly moistened with a small amount of petrol to remove dust and dirt from the roller surface. Make sure to clean the rollers completely and let them dry before reinstalling them. After cleaning the rollers, reinstall them carefully and place the paper tray back into the printer. Now turn on the printer and wait for it to complete the initialization process. Let's check the printer by sending a print command and see if it can pick up the paper correctly without showing the paper jammed error again. As you can see, the printer is now feeding the paper properly, and the error message has disappeared. The problem was caused by dirty rollers, and after cleaning them, the printer is working normally again.